instead got into the scientific name Kakatuwa galerita, common inhabitants of open woodlands and forests along the east coast of Australia. They are very loud birds and create almost any sound. They typically eat seeds, nuts, fruits, kalusuyan, papaya, rambutan, and potatoes in our form. Now guys, do you think Castle has the ability to find the hidden object? If it's yes, then say, you can do it, Castle! You can